How to create to-do list in Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the bottom, you'll be able to find Home Settings. Simply tap on Home Settings. So basically, this is the place where you can customize and add different features. Here on the top, at this Services section, if you swipe right, here you'll be able to find Notes and Lists. Simply tap on Notes and Lists, and now here make sure you connect it with this Google Keep. So simply tap on it. So after you do this, you can easily have conversation with Google AI and list out what's in the Google list or notes. Later you can know what are available in the to-do list, and Google Home will automatically read it out and even remind you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.